Hi everyone, welcome to Terrific Astro. This is me Pooja Likha. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. You will get lots of guidance from tarot cards and from the universe. Now today read is for next three zodiacs. This is for Cancer. General career guidance for the month of May 2020, and this is for Cancer people, this is for Leos, and this is for Virgo people, right? So let's start it. So Cancerian, this is Nine of Swords, and then Three of Wands, and Knight. Be brave and honest. Okay, let's start it. Cancer people, you are facing some challenges. Some, maybe you are facing some sleepless nights. You are facing lots of tension, depression, anxiety this time, and maybe this is the situation at your workplace, right? And you are not happy. You are not looking at the good things. Maybe you have made, maybe so you have made some mistake, or maybe you have faced so much opposing things at your workplace. People are not appreciating your work, and you are facing like very depressive. But now you have already decided, don't look at the back. You have decided to stand strong. You have decided, look for the new opportunities instead of crying what you have done in the past. So you are looking for the new opportunities, and maybe you are getting some new ideas to work on your business, or for your career to grow further. And your guidance card is saying, Knight, be brave and honest. This is the time when you have decided to think of your self-respect. Maybe you have made some mistake and you don't want to look at the back, and now you want to grow yourself. And now you are putting your energy, instead of crying for the past things. Now you are decided to look at your growth. You want to grow in your career. You have new ideas which you have already executed, and you are waiting for the results, for the outcomes to come. And what you have decided is right for you. That is a very brave and honest decision for you. Don't cry what you have done in the past, and look for the new opportunity. Look for the bigger vision of yourself. Now this is the time to expand. And maybe you are planning for your higher studies at abroad, or you are planning to start some export import business, or you have investing your energy to some creative or in a productive way, and that is very good for you. Okay, this is for Cancerians. So next, for Leo people, Two of Swords, Chariot, and Shaolin Master. Very tough decision you have made, but you have made the very right choice. Some challenges where you just close your heart and close your eyes. You don't want to look into the actual situation. Don't want to look into the facts of the solution. That phase was very difficult for you, when you pull yourself absolutely within yourself. You pull all the energies inward, and thinking what should be the right decision. Lot of mental challenges you have faced during that time, and obviously the tough decision you have made, and you have decided to move on from the situation. And whatever the path you have chosen for you, need lot of focus, lot of dedication, determination, and willpower. But that will definitely will bring you winning situation. So whatever you are facing right now, or maybe you have just faced it during this crisis period, and you have decided to move on. And believe me, that is a good decision you made for yourself, and that will, with your dedication, and it will bring lot of success for you. And your guidance card says Shaolin Master, be graceful in movement and action. Okay, the card is also says this key, now you have decided to flow like a water. You want to flow with your life, you don't want to resist it, but the thing, you need to put all your efforts, all your honest efforts on dedication, your willpower should be there. And what you have decided for your career, you have to be on that path that will bring you lot of success. For Virgo people, let's see. Rest. Four of Swords, Page of Swords, and Arrow. Arrow card says surround yourself and protective energy. Okay, Four of Swords card says कि you have spent lot of resting period. You already recuperated your energy, but during that time, you did lot of thinking. You did lot of mental exercises, how to improve your communication skills, how to improve at your mental level, how to improve, how to express yourself in a better way. And now this is the time to take the action what you have learned in this period, where you groomed yourself. Maybe you groomed yourself, maybe you did some personality courses where you have learned how to express yourself, and you learned communication in a better way. And this is the time to take the action, to apply all these things. If you have some new innovative ideas, apply on it. And Arrow card says surround yourself with protective energy. You have already defended yourself so much, right? Earlier you were in the defensive, in the protective mode, but now this is the time. What you have learned, apply it, and surround yourself with protective energy. Be surrounded. Do some sort of meditation work to get your energies protected in a shield. And but definitely this is a time to take the action. Okay, this is for the Virgos. So don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. And for the this is for about 3 zodiac sign. For my next you have to watch over my next video. Till then, bye, and God bless.